Hi viewers, are you ready to unlock the ultimate secret to healthy, long, and shiny hair? Today, we'll show you the perfect hair oiling process for long hair. A timeless ritual that nourishes, strengthens, and transforms your locks. Oiling your hair isn't just a routine, it's a way to pamper your tresses and give them the care they deserve. Let's dive into the step-by-step process with tips and examples. Different oils work for different hair types. For long hair, coconut oil is great for deep nourishment. Argan oil adds shine and reduces frizz. Almond oil promotes growth and prevents breakage. Castor oil is perfect for thickening and strengthening. Pro tip, mix two oils for a customized treatment. For example, combine coconut and almond oil for both moisture and strength. Warm oil penetrates the scalp better. Heat the oil slightly, ensuring it's warm, not hot, to avoid scalp irritation. Divide your hair into 4 sections. This makes it easier to apply the oil evenly, ensuring every strand gets its share of nourishment. Using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into your scalp in circular motions. This boosts blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Pro tip, focus on the roots to nourish hair from the source. Once the scalp is covered, move to the lengths of your hair. Long hair often faces dryness and split ends, so pay extra attention to the tips. To ensure the oil is evenly distributed, use a wide tooth comb. It also helps detangle long hair without causing breakage. Wrap your hair in a warm towel or cover it with a shower cap. This locks in moisture and allows the oil to deeply penetrate the strands. Let the oil work its magic for at least an hour, or overnight for deeper conditioning. Use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo to wash off the oil. Condition as usual to seal in moisture. And that's it, a simple yet effective routine to keep your long hair healthy, shiny, and stunning. Remember, consistency is key. Pamper your hair with this oiling ritual at least once a week. Did you find this helpful? Share your hair oiling tips in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care secrets.